What if I told you AI could help Black families build more wealth in the next 10 years than some people build in a lifetime? Or push us even further behind if we ignore it? This is not just about robots, apps, or tech people in Silicon Valley. This is about jobs, businesses, side income, education, and who gets left out when the rules change again. In this video, we're talking about how AI could become our next wealth tool, or the next thing that replaces us if we're not ready. A lot of people hear AI and immediately check out. They think, that's for young people, that's for computer people. That has nothing to do with my house, my bills, or my family. But that is exactly where people get caught. Because AI is not just some fancy new gadget. It is a new tool that is already changing how people work, how businesses run, how money gets made, and how fast people learn. That means this is not really a technology story. It is a family story, a money story, a survival story.
Let's be honest first. Some people really are going to lose ground because of AI. Not because they are lazy, not because they are not smart, not because they did anything wrong, but because a lot of jobs are built around tasks that are repetitive, simple, and easy to automate. Writing routine emails, basic scheduling, customer support, simple admin work, basic design, basic research, entry-level content work. The scary part is that a lot of people do not realize their job is being chipped away at until it is already happening. It does not always look dramatic. Sometimes it just looks like fewer openings, smaller teams, lower pay, more work expected from one person, clients wanting things faster and cheaper. That is what replacement often looks like. Quiet, respectful, efficient.
And if you are already living paycheck to paycheck, you do not need a full layoff for life to get hard. Sometimes just less opportunity is enough to create stress, debt, and panic. That is why this moment matters so much. Part 3. But AI can also make ordinary people more powerful. Now, here's the other side. AI is not only a replacement tool, it is also a leverage tool. And that's where the opportunity is. Because the same tool that helps a company cut labor can also help a regular person do more with less. A person with a side hustle can use AI to write better posts, make flyers, organize pricing, and answer customers faster. A parent can use AI to help a child study, explain homework, or build a learning plan. A church leader can use it to write announcements, organize events, and create outreach materials.
A small business owner can use it to clean up emails, create a website outline, write product descriptions, and build marketing ideas without paying a whole team. That matters. Because one of the biggest reasons families stay stuck is not lack of talent, it is lack of support. Too many people have the skills, the wisdom, the hustle, and the ideas, but no assistant, no marketing team, no tutor, no strategist, no extra time. AI can help with that. Used right, it can become the cheapest worker a family has ever had. Not to replace your mind, not to replace your value, but to support your effort.
Part 4. The real danger is not that AI exists, it's using it too late. This is the part I really want people to hear. The biggest danger is not that AI exists. The biggest danger is that some people will learn to use it early and other people will wait until the gap is already too wide. That is how wealth gaps grow. One family uses AI to save time, find better work, market a business, teach their kids faster, organize their finances, create new income. Another family says, I'll deal with it later. Then later comes. And now one family is moving faster, earning faster, learning faster, and adapting faster. That gap becomes money. That gap becomes confidence. That gap becomes opportunity. That gap becomes who gets ahead And who keeps feeling confused? The world does not usually stop and wait for everybody to catch up. That is why learning early matters more than learning perfectly. You do not need to master AI. You just need to stop ignoring it.
Part 5. How Black families can actually use AI to build wealth. So let's make this practical. How can AI actually help Black families build wealth? 1. Use AI to earn more. This is the first lane. Use it to help you make money. If you sell food, cut hair, clean houses, braid hair, do coaching, tutoring, trucking, photography, event work, property help, or any kind of service, AI can help you present yourself better. It can help you write a cleaner business description, make better captions, create service packages, draft client messages, organize offers, brainstorm side hustles, write a basic business plan, create follow-up messages. That may sound small, but small improvements change money. A cleaner offer gets more replies. A better message gets more bookings. A sharper page gets more trust. And trust gets paid.
If a family can save even a few hours a week, that can be life-changing. AI can help with meal planning, budgeting templates, to-do lists, travel planning, resume editing, email drafting, appointment organization, school planning. Some people are drowning not because they are irresponsible, but because life is heavy and everything takes time. If AI helps lighten that load, it gives people something precious back: mental space. And mental space is where better decisions start. This may be the biggest opportunity of all, because now a child can ask for help 24 hours a day. A parent can ask for math explanations in simple language. A student can get help with writing. A teenager can learn business basics, coding basics, study habits, financial terms, or career paths faster than ever before. That does not replace teachers. It does not replace parenting, but it can support both. The family that learns faster will often earn faster later.
The people who win will combine human skill with AI speed. Here is the part that should calm people down. You do not need to become a robot to survive the robot era. What you need is to combine what AI does well with what humans still do better. AI is fast, but humans still matter for trust, judgment, taste, care, relationship building, leadership, wisdom, cultural understanding. AI can write a message, but it cannot replace your lived experience.
If I had to give a Black family a simple plan, it would be this. Step 1. Pick one person in the family to learn first. Not everybody has to become the expert right away. Let one person get comfortable first. Step 2. Use it on real problems, not random entertainment. Use it for resumes, side hustle ideas, school help, budgeting help, business descriptions, customer messages, organizing goals. Step 3. Teach the rest of the family. Once one person sees the value, show others. Show mom, show dad, show grandma, show the teenager, show the cousin with the business idea, show the child who needs homework help. Make it normal. Step 4. Focus on income, time, and learning. Every family should ask, can this help us make money? Can this help us save time? Can this help us learn faster? If the answer is yes, then it matters.